Grandma's house, and we're gonna make Pop-Up's favorite ribs. He always likes making with Nana. So yay!
Hey!
The foil, and we have the ribs. So that's the first step. And what do you want? What do you want the oven on?
250.
I turned the camera off on accident.
Oh, good. Turn it off again.
Okay.
Do my chest.
I can't.
Oh, you gotta see this.
Exactly.
Okay.
I don't know
Well,
how
then,
to.
it won't fall over?
No.
Okay. Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, we're making some barbecued ribs.
There's a little red square.
Okay. And the best way to do that is just to get your ribs, and I always like to slice down through so that the ribs are going to absorb what we're going to put on them. So
It looks like your ice cream cone.
I kind of do a crisscross on both sides. Not very deep, just enough so you know it's going to absorb what you put on there. Okay. And then we have 4 ingredients is all for the best ribs you've ever tasted.
Liquid smoke,
And
Worcestershire, whatever.
yep.
Sauce.
So first we're gonna
Still
put
can't
some.
say it.
Whoop! It's brand new.
Chili powder and seasonal. Sure.
Okay, we're gonna do some liquid smoke,
How did they make it liquid smoke?
and you just, well, you can smell it. I don't know how they make it, but you're putting that on here
Lots of it.
again on both sides. You just want to kind of rub that on there a little bit. And then you're going to do the same thing
The Worcestershire.
with Worcestershire sauce.
Yoink.
And if you're like Grace and ask me why we do that, I'm not really sure, but the taste is awesome. So,
Yeah. Pop-Up ribs are the best ribs ever.
okay. So now we've put the wet on, and we're going to put 2 dry ingredients. One is seasonal.
And then the other is chili powder.
Yep.
Well, hang on, let me put the cap back on the Worcestershire.
Okay. And you really just shake this all over.
Lots of it. Lots of everything. It's probably why it's so flavorful.
And do that. And do that side. And then we'll do the chili powder. And again, like Grace said, it's very liberal. Because these are gonna bake very slowly, and this gives them their wonderful barbecue flavor.
So it looks like a lot, but it's not really a lot, 'cause almost all of it's going to soak in and then like even out.
Yeah, and then when you, after these bake for 4 or 5 hours and are almost ready to fall off the bone, you then take them and cut them, not cut them, but you then take them and put barbecue sauce on it, whatever you like. We use Sweet Baby Ray's because that's what Grace likes.
It's the best. I don't care what anybody says.
So if you have a favorite that isn't Sweet Baby Ray's, whatever you like, and then what you want to do is either put those in the oven or on the grill and caramelize that barbecue sauce on the top. And then once you do that, all that's left is to have some bone-looking goodness, huh, Grace?
Yeah. Best ribs ever. We make this every time we come down.
But this is one of Gracie's favorites, so. And her pop-up started this. I'm not sure where he got the idea to do it this way, but they are absolutely delicious.
Right.
Okay, so we've put those 4 ingredients on, that's it. And then we've gotten some individual pieces of aluminum foil here. And now we're going to cut this into serving sizes. So we're going to have like a slab of ribs here.
Oh, hang on, I think this is
And then we're just wrapping these up in aluminum foil. You're going to put them in a pan, and you're going to put them in the oven, 250 for about, you'll smell them way before they're done, but probably about 4 or 5 hours.
Dad
Hi, Louie.
Dad just woke up.
And then they're delicious. Unwrap them, put some barbecue sauce on them, and
like
put them
it.
on the grill.